If you work on your own, it's really easy to miss things just because you're too close to it. Sometimes you really could do with a second opinion. Today, I'll show you how to use a free Google tool to get feedback on your idea in about 5 minutes. It could be feedback on a video script, a course, a blog post, more or less anything really. By the end, you'll be able to spot what could be clearer, what could be stronger in your work, or maybe what you've missed without needing anyone else. The app we're going to use is called Google NotebookLM and it's free to use. First click Try NotebookLM. Now you may need to sign up for an account if you haven't got one already. Then click Create New Notebook. You can see we've got the option to upload files, add website and YouTube links, add Google Drive files and paste in copied text. Now I'm pasting a video script that I've written for my art channel, but you can upload any sort of document you like. So I'm clicking copied text and then I'm going to paste my text in the box and then click insert. Once it's uploaded, Google NotebookLM is responding to your work. It's not going outside to the web or anywhere else, it's just to that document or documents that you've uploaded. Now we're going to go over to Audio Overview, but don't just click it. Instead, choose the pencil icon. This lets us customize it first. Under Format, choose Critique. Then in the box below, you can either leave it empty or ideally give it 1 or 2 specific questions or things that you want help with. So for example, I'm going to ask it to focus on helping me improve my YouTube script so it grabs attention and keeps users watching. I'm also going to ask it to suggest anything that it thinks I should add. But of course you can change this depending on what you're working on. Then click Generate. What you get is a short audio conversation, usually with 2 hosts talking about your work. It's a bit like a mini podcast. Let me play you a little bit of it.
The current opening is, it's very reflective, but on YouTube, starting with an I used to think setup, it just delays the core conflict. People don't have the patience.
That's completely spot on. You're losing them before they even know what the fight is about.
What's useful is it's pointing out things where I could improve. Maybe I could move things around or make things stronger. It's not pulling it apart, but it's giving some really useful information. And that's exactly what you want when you're working alone. You kind of want that second opinion. Now, once you're happy with this, you could try something else. You can analyse your competitors. So you could upload text from their landing page, maybe a freebie they've done, and you could ask them to critique it. Not so you can copy it, but just so you could analyse what they've missed and make sure you include it in your materials. So imagine you were creating a video or course about Canva. So you'd perhaps find a video that you like on the topic, click the share button by the video, then copy the link. Then go back into NotebookLM and create a new notebook. Click on the websites button and paste in your YouTube link, then click Insert. Once it's finished uploading, do the same thing we did before and click on the pencil icon near the audio overview. Select Critique again. In the text box, I'm going to ask it to critique the video, tell me what they were doing well and anything they're missing so that I can make a course or video on a similar topic and I can try and improve it. Then click Generate. Wait a few minutes for the audio file to be created and I'll play you a quick snippet.
You have to ask who that course is really for. Right now, it feels like it's trying to serve 2 different masters.
I see your point. But isn't that complexity sort of the point of a masterclass? That it takes you from 0 to 100?
It will suggest things that you just may not have even considered. If you found this helpful, I do an email with AI tips and resources every week. You can find a link to that in the description and I will see you in the next one.